Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we'll talk about examination question paper and manage declare results. Navigate to academic, then in examination question paper can handle and create papers. Click here, go to add section, enter exam name, select class, select subject. After selecting subject, all questions added in question bank for that specific subject display here in question list. And how we can add questions in question bank, you can get link in description for that video. And if you require more question that is not listed here, then there is an option to add more question. Click here, then you will get into question banks. Here you can add more questions, adding instruction for general information. Then in manage section, same we can add instruction for sections. Enter, add more section. Click here to add section. Click here and add instruction for section 2. I added instruction for general information and two sections, section 1 and 2. Now want to activate section 1, then click here. All instruction will display here, and if you click on show preview, then it gives you error because question is not added yet. Now going to add questions in section 1. Go to question list, click here to add to section, and going to section 2, click to activate here section 2. Add this question. All question marks is display here, marks 10 for this question, and section total marks is here 10 marks, and overall total marks for this question paper is 50. Click on show to preview. All question details will display here like this for section 1 and section 2. Two questions in section 1 and one question in section 2. Close preview. Going to submit all these details, go to journal information, click here to submit. Now our question paper is created successfully for 5th class. Subject English, total marks is 50 and duration 120. Created by and created at. And in action, click here. Can view all details for this question paper, section 1 and section 2 and instructions, and also can take print from here to click. Going again here, click here to clone data excluding questions if you required in further, and also can delete in action. This is about question paper in examination. In manage declare results, we can manage results for examination. Click here, select class, exam schedule. All result updated by specific assigned teacher is reflecting here because staff has permission to enter marks and publish results for their specific subject, while admin can only publish result. Go to publish result, confirm. Result is not published yet because not entered marks for other users or subject. Social studies is pending now. So if we have any pending result for any user or for any subject, then we can't publish. Or if all results have been updated by staff, then admin has permission to publish the result. Click here, confirm. Our results is published successfully here. Now it will show like this: result published for 5th class midterm exam. This is about manage declare results, and stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.